Welcome to our guide on how to create your vision board for 2024 as a career professional. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to help you visualize and manifest your goals for the upcoming year. First, gather your materials. You will need a poster board or a corkboard, magazines or printed images, scissors, glue or tape, markers or colored pencils, and any other decorative items you'd like to include. Next, take some time to reflect on your career goals for 2024. What do you want to achieve? What skills do you want to develop? What milestones do you want to reach? Write down these goals on a separate piece of paper. Now, it's time to start creating your vision board. Begin by cutting out images and words from the magazines or printed materials that represent your career aspirations. Look for visuals that resonate with you and inspire you to take action. Once you have a collection of images and words, arrange them on your poster board or corkboard. Play around with different layouts until you find a composition that feels right to you. Remember, this is your vision board, so trust your intuition. As you glue or tape the images and words onto your board, take a moment to visualize yourself achieving these goals. Imagine the steps you need to take and the obstacles you may encounter along the way. Use your markers or colored pencils to add any additional drawings or affirmations that support your vision. Once your vision board is complete, find a prominent place to display it. It could be in your office, bedroom, or any space where you will see it every day. Make it a habit to spend a few minutes each day looking at your vision board and connecting with the energy and motivation it represents. Remember, your vision board is a powerful tool to help you stay focused and motivated on your career goals for 2024. Use it as a visual reminder of what you want to achieve and let it guide you towards success. Thank you for watching our guide on how to create your vision board for 2024 as a career professional. We hope this video has inspired you to take action and manifest your dreams.